Hey, hello. My name is Eric Steve Sandoval, and I'm playing Pokemon Leaf Green, the old-fashioned one. I have two games. Playing in the dark right now, but I have two games. If you can't see it, it's 2 Leaf Green. See? Sorry if you can't see in the dark, but still. I just want to play a little bit. I'll show you my Pokemon party, which I call it new because they just started. We got Nidoran Boy, Squirtle level 14, Pidgey level 12, Pikachu level 11, Growlithe level 11. Well, I got this because on a trade, and I always wanted Growlithe on Leaf Green. I have a Fire Red, but I don't use it that much. Right now I'm in Mount Moon. I think I should be training right now, which I'll do. This is actually on a real Game Boy. So let's see. I'm not gonna do any Nuzlocke. I don't like Nuzlocke for some reason. It just bothers me. The pile of Pokemon. Sorry if I sound like a girl. I'm actually a guy. As you can tell with my profile pic, but still, I like it. Oh yeah, please subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have to say for my very first video of Pokemon. I'll do more, of course. Yeah, this is not gonna end well, so let me use Pikachu. I also have PokeMMO, the computer version. I also have 3DS. It's cool. Nice, paralyzed. Oh, but oh, really? It's not dead yet? How come a super effective? Well, super effective could have not one-sided team, but still. Probably because I'm not that high level than him yet. Let's see. Have I gotten everything here? Yeah, of course I did. Not so complicated. Sorry about that slow penny reaction there. I just love playing Pokemon too much. Ooh, maybe Growlithe could be good against that Pokemon trainer. I love Pokemon Leaf Green. This was my very first game. Well, I must have beaten him. Yeah, I'll keep training. Ooh, it's you, right? Sorry. But I keep making this mistake. I'm pretty much a noob to this. No, why are you doing all this? Oh, it still doesn't move. I think because he's traded. I forgot trade the Pokemon will ignore orders every time on the floor. So I should not train him that much in this Pokemon. This is the guy I should be training, Pikachu, because since next gym is Misty. So, let's see. Zubat Bloodsucker? Huh. Training. Yeah. Every time I want a Geodude doesn't appear. Every time I don't want one, appears. The reason why I don't want one right now is because, well, I don't have any use for Geodude. So that could work. Oh yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, PokeMMO. Well, I have a PokeMMO thing. It's a pretty good game. It's basically an MMO of Pokemon Fire Red. Con mi amigo.